Hey guys, this is Tom Nickley with the Nickley Group here in Orlando. First and foremost, I want to thank you for taking just a couple minutes to watch these videos. We really do appreciate it and hope you get something out of it. Today, I'm going to spend just a few minutes talking about our current market conditions here in Central Florida. As I've been talking about for the last few months, we are seeing a lot of the same, still a lot of competition, still a hot market, still a seller's market.
You've heard this story before, right?
Yes, but the drama.
But we are starting to see signs that things are slowing down a little bit. Things are starting to stabilize. I wouldn't say they're exactly returning to normal, but things are starting to mellow out and balance out a little bit. Now, I will say that is completely dependent on the area. We are still seeing certain areas, certain neighborhoods, certain zip codes where it's still a feeding frenzy, where there's still 20 plus offers on properties. But then again, we're seeing other areas where there are only 2 or 3 offers on properties. We're actually getting a lot of buyers under contract where we're the only offer. So that is really, really great news. Overall, we'll talk about some of the specifics, but overall, it is a really great market for sellers. It's a really great market for buyers. It's a really great time to be active looking for or selling real estate here in Central Florida. Okay. Now, as far as sales go, we are seeing a little bit of a slowdown in sales. That could be a normal seasonal adjustment. Obviously, some of it is a normal seasonal adjustment that we usually see at this time of the year. In Central Florida, there was a decrease in the number of sales of 4.4% from July to August. This is great news. Again, mellow things out where there's not such a frenzy for buyers in every single area. As far as prices go, we are starting to see prices starting to stabilize a little bit as well. From July to August, prices were actually unchanged, which means we saw no appreciation from July to August. Now, we did see a 16% appreciation from August of last year to August of this year. But again, that's great because July, June, we saw 20% increases from the same time last year. So again, a nice sign of things kind of stabilizing and normalizing. Another great piece of news, especially for buyers, is increase of inventory. 4 months in a row, we have seen an increase of inventory and homes for sale. More people are putting their homes on the market. There's more inventory, more choices for buyers. Right now, there's about 3,700 homes available for sale here in the Central Florida area. That's compared to the low of 3,300 that were available in April of this year. As far as interest rates go, they still remain historically low. Average interest rate was 2.8% in August. This is ridiculously low. Now, we do know that the Fed is making moves. They're talking about tapering back on their bond purchases, which have kept interest rates low. All the experts expect that mid or late next year, as early as mid to late next year, we'll start seeing interest rate increases. So, as always, we do appreciate you guys watching the video. It is a great time to buy or sell here in Central Florida. Sellers are still able to maximize the equity in their homes. Buyers are starting to see a little bit more balance, not as much competition. We're seeing a lot of buyers re-enter the market that had exited the market during the crazy summer months. So whether you're thinking about buying a home or selling a home here in Central Florida, we'd love to be a resource for you. Please reach out, give us a call, shoot us an email, reach out to us on our Facebook page. Even if you're just looking for information, we'd love to be a resource for you for all your home buying and selling needs here in Central Florida. Thanks again for watching the video, and we hope you guys tune in next time.